if you're experiencing a verification pending issue on Kopete 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is crucial for the verification process to complete successfully. Step 2. Restart the application. Close Kopete completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the application and may resolve temporary glitches causing the verification to hang. Step 3. Update the application. Check for any available updates for Kopete. Outdated versions may have bugs that affect the verification process. Install any updates and restart the application. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Relog into your account. Log out of your account within Kopete and then log back in. This can trigger the verification process again and may help it to complete successfully. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Kopete 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.